Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue learning grammar. Here we go. Page 77, language. 77. Okay. Common prepositions. Watch the common preposition video so you are ready for class. Here we go.
Common prepositions. Prepositions connect pronouns, nouns, and phrases to other words within a sentence. These are some of the most common prepositions. To, with, for, from, of, about. Let's see some examples. Ready? I am playing soccer with my brother. Tamara told me all about her vacation in France. This present is from my dad. Can you give this to Tom, please? I want a piece of cake. Nick was late for soccer practice. Now it's your turn. Complete the sentences with the correct preposition. I want a glass of plain water. Of. I want a glass of water. Good job. Marissa is ready blank for ballet recital. For. Marissa is ready for her ballet recital. Way to go! My mom brought me a present blank Japan. From. My mom brought me a present from Japan. Excellent! Now I know that prepositions connect nouns and pronouns to other words in a sentence. Need more practice? Check out the language section of your book for more exercises. The end. Happy to learn.
Okay. After watching this video, we are going to know about the prepositions, okay? Prepositions are words that connect nouns and pronouns to other words in a sentence. Common prepositions are to, with, for, from, of, and about. Examples. I went to the beach yesterday. Can I go with them? This gift is for you. That letter is from our grandma. My sister is afraid of spiders. Okay? Tell me about your trip. Okay. Read the following sentences. Write the correct preposition for each sentence. Underline. Use the word bank if you need it. Okay. The word bank we have to, with, for, from, of, and about. We are going to work together. Here we go. Number 1. The story is about a princess. Number 2. This flower is for my mom. Number 3. She walked to the park with her pet. Number 4, I always walk home from school. 5, my sister walks with me. Number 6, may I have a cup of tea? Excellent. You know that you did a great job. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay? Remember, play, learn, and grow together. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.